Okay, this is a great story. It could be the best story I've ever told. I'm training for a hard hike in Iceland, so I attempted Mount Defiance in the Columbia Gorge. It's a tough one at 13 miles and 5,010 feet elevation. I was off to a great start and the forecast called for a mild day with some possible rain. I brought my camera gear and my drone thinking that I might get some footage for a video. As I gained elevation, the weather changed instantly and it started getting cold. As I approached the summit, I thought it was perfect timing because no one else was up there. However, the weather quickly turned from partly sunny to freezing cold and snowing. I took my chances launching the drone because I didn't know if I would ever be back here, and flying the drone is just so much fun. I tried to get a great shot of the drone going through the telecommunications equipment and over my head. After I pressed record, a huge gust of wind swept the drone into the tower. It landed within a fence line and I couldn't get to it. I probably could have hopped the fence, but I was freezing and it was snowing really hard. I had to say goodbye to her and walk away. A couple weeks went by and then I received an email from DJI Support saying that someone with a serial number tied to my email address asked for me to contact them. I emailed him and he immediately replied saying that he had my drone.
Here's where I'm meeting the guy to get the drone back.
I thought this was incredible. I had given up on it. A few days later, we met in a parking lot.
Yeah, Derek.
Yeah, nice to meet you.
Yeah, nice to meet you too.
This,
yeah. Oh my gosh, wow. So, oh, look at that. That's so funny. Okay.
You know, it actually looks like it could be repaired.
Yeah, it actually could.
I mean, I've never... Right.
So then I walked around the whole perimeter and I was like, there's no way I'm getting in there.
Someone with a telecommunications company must have taken it out of the fence line and placed it on the rock. So he didn't even know that I left it in the fence line next to the tower. He found it sitting on top of a rock. Thinking that's strange, he had the smart idea of taking the drone and reporting the serial number to DJI Support.
It was snowing, crazy
really,
windy.
Like several weeks ago?
Yeah, just was it 3 or 4 weeks ago.
Wow.
Yep, I was like, screw it, I'm out of here.
Well, what's your YouTube channel?
Oh, it's called Stretch Yourself.
Okay.
Yeah.
Well, that must have been a good hike because I know driving up there, that road was steep.
Oh, it's one of the, I think it's one of the toughest hikes.
Really?
Yeah, it's one of the toughest hikes in the gorge.
Okay.
Yeah. Well, thanks.
Yeah, you betcha, man.
Really appreciate it,
yeah,
man. That's so great. It's a great story. So, yeah, there's two different people were involved to make this happen.
Yeah.
And DJI Support.
Yeah, I know. So that's pretty cool. You know.
As thanks for his grand gesture, I gave him a gift card for 18 holes at a golf course. Not only will I be able to sell the batteries and drone for parts, but I also retrieved the SD card and was able to upload the following footage, including footage of the wreck. Thinking that I had lost the Air 2 for good, I upgraded to the Air 3. And this thing is incredible. Thanks so much for watching.